Hi everyone, this is Bharti and welcome to day 2 of the 21-day Pranayama challenge. Once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into your yoga mat or the cushion you are sitting on. Straighten your spine and roll the shoulders back. Bring the hands in Chin Mudra on the knees and gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath, observing your natural flow of breath. Let us start today's practice by saying the following affirmation 3 times in our mind. I breathe in positivity and I breathe out negativity. Let's repeat this 3 times in our mind. We'll start the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. Gently open your eyes. We'll start with 5 rounds of equal breathing. Close your eyes and let's start. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Keep the inhalations and exhalations equal, keeping the facial muscles relaxed and the breath continuous. Last round. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax and take a couple of normal breaths. And open your eyes. Next, we are going to do 5 rounds of intercostal breathing. So as we learned, that is chest breathing. Bring both your hands at the bottom end of your rib cage and gently close your eyes. Let's start. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, expanding your chest outwards in all directions. Exhale, soften the chest and it comes in. Keep going on. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Bring the hands down and take a couple of normal breaths. Next, we are going to do clavicular breathing. So bring your hands on your collarbones. As you inhale, you'll feel the collarbones and shoulders rising up very gently. And as you exhale, they fall back down. Let's start. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. The movement is very subtle here, so don't make any exaggerated movements with your shoulders or arms. Last round. Bring the hands down and relax. Next, we are going to do 5 rounds of abdominal breathing. So in abdominal breathing or diaphragmatic breathing, as we inhale, the abdomen expands out. As we exhale, the abdomen goes in. Gently close your eyes and let's start. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply, expanding the belly out. Exhale slowly, the belly softens and goes in. Inhale and exhale. Last round. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. And relax. Finally, we are going to combine all these 3 to do complete yogic breathing. So for this, bring your one hand on your abdomen and the other on the chest and gently touching just the collarbones with the top 2 fingers. Close your eyes and let's start. Inhale deeply, first expanding the belly out, then inhaling a bit more to expand the chest, and finally the collarbones and the shoulders go up slightly. Exhale gently, softening the collarbones, chest, and the abdomen goes in. Again, inhale deeply, expanding the belly, followed by the chest and the collarbones. Exhale slowly, the collarbones go down, followed by the chest and the abdomen. Keep going on. Inhale deeply, expanding belly, chest and shoulders. Exhale slowly, Shoulders soften, followed by chest and belly. 2 more rounds. Slowly bring the hands down and relax. We are going to end with Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So we are going to continue doing 1:1 ratio today, but we are going to add a count to our inhalations and exhalations. So yesterday we did a count of 3. Today we are going to do a count of 4. So let's start. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra, closing the right nostril with the right thumb. Take a breath in and out through the left nostril. And let's start. Inhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on. Keep your attention only on your breath. Second last round. Slowly bring the right hand down and take a couple of normal breaths. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is great for balancing the internal energies and bringing a sense of calmness to the mind. We are going to end the practice with 3 rounds of Om chant. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring your hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring your palms over your eyelids and feel the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Bring your hands down and gently open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.